Alright, so I think I'm recording. Let's take a look at problem 44. We have an exponential equation. However, we can't write them with the same base, so we just have to use properties of logarithms and specifically the power rule to solve this. Since it wants us to round our final answer, we want to either use natural log or common log because on scientific calculators, that's the button. If we use log base 5 or log base 4, we can still do it in the very end, use a change of base formula, so you can do that if you want, but I'm just going to take the common log of both sides. And now, by the power rule, these coefficients come down, and when I bring this exponent down, remember I have to use the distributive property to multiply everything by the log of 4. So I've got x's on the left-hand side of the equation, I have an x on the right-hand side of the equation, and I want to get the x's on the same side of the equation. So I'm going to subtract x log 4 from each side. And on the left-hand side, I have two terms. Both terms have something in common. They have an x, and that's what I'm trying to solve for. So I'm going to factor an x out, and then I have log 5 minus log 4 equals log 4. To get the x by itself, we divide both sides by that binomial. So I have x is equal to log of 4 divided by this binomial. If I want to, before I key it in the calculator, since this is subtraction, I can just take the log of 5/4. So let's jump in and do that. I've got log of 4, close the parenthesis, divided by log of this fraction. It's forgiving on this last parenthesis, but I usually close it out of habit. So I'm getting to 3 decimals, 6.213. So like I say, you could have taken log base 5 of each side and then in the end use a change of base formula and still get the same answer. Alright, hey, I'll talk to you later. Hope that helps. Bye.